We are solving problem 8th of IIT JEE Mains 2025 Shift 1 exam, which was conducted on 22nd Jan. So there are two lines L1 and L2, and it has been asked that which of the following points lies on the shortest distance line between the L1 and L2. So suppose this is L1, this is L2. So this is a line perpendicular to both, which is the shortest line between L1 and L2. You can imagine this in 3D. In 3D this is possible. So let this point be P and this point be Q. This is L1 and this is L2. So any point P on L1 will look like the equation of L1 equals to some parameter lambda. This will give us that the P will look like 2 lambda. By equating this with lambda, we'll get 2 lambda plus 1. A second coordinate we get as 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3. Similarly, for L2 we put mu. We can put any other constant instead of mu. So we'll get 3 mu plus 2, 4 mu plus 4, 5 mu plus 5. These are the general points on the line L1 and L2. Now the line joining P and Q is the shortest line, and which will look like 3 mu plus 3 mu minus 2 lambda plus 1, 4 mu minus 3 lambda plus 2, 5 mu minus 4 lambda plus 2. So this is PQ, and this is perpendicular to both L1 and L2, and we also know L1 cross L2 is also perpendicular to both L1 and L2. So if we try to find this L1 cross L2, it's I, J, K, the direction ratios of L1 with the direction ratio of L2. Direction ratio of L1 2, 3, 4, and direction ratio of L2 is 3, 4, 5. After taking the Cartesian this determinant, I'll get minus 1, minus J, minus 2, plus K, minus 1. So we'll give minus I plus 2J minus K. Now these two both lines are perpendicular to both L1 and L2, so they must be parallel in the 3D plane, and their direction ratios must be in the proportion. So we get 3 mu minus 2 lambda plus 1 by minus 1 equals to 4 mu minus 3 lambda plus 2 by 2 equals to 5 mu minus 4 lambda plus 2 by minus 1. Now when we equate these two and do the cross multiplication, we get 2 mu, we get 10 lambda, 10 mu minus 7 lambda equals to minus 4, and when we compare these two, we'll get 2 mu equals to 2 lambda minus 1. Now solving this green and yellow equation, we'll get the values of lambda as 1 by 3 and mu as minus 1 by 6. Now when we substitute these values in the value of PQ, so we have to substitute lambda equals to 1 by 3 and mu equals to minus 1 by 6. In this case, P will become 5 by 3, 3 and 13 by 3, and Q will become 3 by 2, 10 by 3, 25 by 6. You can verify this. Okay, now we have general point on, now we have the intersecting point P and Q, which is, now we know that the shortest line, the shortest path, the shortest distance line is line joining P and Q, so which will be given by x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, which is x minus 14 by 3, x minus 5 by 3 by 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3 y minus 3 by 10 by 3 minus 3 equals to z minus 13 by 3 by 25 by 6 minus 13 by 3. Now keeping the numerator as it is, and dividing the denominator by 6. This is just to simplify the calculations. So numerator will remain same, the denominator will become minus 1, this will become 2, this will become again minus 1. Now we have to judge whether which of the following options satisfies this equation, because this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to both L1 and L2, and this is the line of the shortest distance between L1 and L2. So our first option is 14 by 3 minus 3, 22 by 3. Let's substitute 14 by 3, sorry, it's positive, 14 by 3 minus 3, 22 by 3 in this. So we'll get the first term as 9 by 3 minus 9 by 3. This is minus 9 by minus 6 by 2, and this is 22 minus 9 by 3, again minus 9 by 3. Yeah, so this is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. So all are equal, hence option 1 is correct.